This is Helpscreen, and this is how to fix Tinder dating and meet people app not working. So this is Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions. So for the first one is just go to your Google Play Store, and then from here just go to the search button and search for Tinder. And now guys, just tap on the app and make sure you are running the latest version of the application Tinder, and when Tinder have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now, if you still encounter the issue, just go to the settings on your device. And then on your device, just go to the apps. And then on the apps, just find the Tinder over here. And now guys, for this solution, I want you to clear cache and also clear data. So now tap on the Tinder app and then tap on the storage, and from here clear cache and also clear data, and then from there you should be able to fix the issue. And now guys, if the solutions I provided doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the app on your device. So first uninstall it on your device, and then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should have a working Tinder application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.